Let's now take a look at WION's monthly global economic health check. First, we deep dive into how global markets performed in August. Now, oil fell 1.4% with the benchmark Brent crude trading below $80 a barrel as the demand outlook shows a significant slowdown despite an increase in West Asia tensions and supply worries. Gold closed out the month near record highs as the Federal Reserve announced a crucial pivot to policy easing earlier in August. On the other hand, the dollar fell over 2% as expectations over several Fed rate cuts this year have emerged. The so-called digital dollar, that's Bitcoin, lost its shine in August, down nearly 8%. Moving on to Asia-Pacific stock markets, Japanese stocks performed strongly in August, rising over 7.5%. Australian stocks saw a nearly 2% gain. The real estate and economic crisis weighed heavily on Chinese stocks as the Shanghai index tanked over 2%. And Indian benchmarks closed out August with over 1.5% gains. The rally continued in American stocks with the S&P 500 and the Nasdaq hovering near record highs with over 5% gains for the month. The Canadian stock index jumped more than 5% and the bull run in Brazil continued with over 8% gains in August. The picture was similar for the European markets. All indices in the region gained significantly, with the German DAX leading the rally. South Africa's stock index too rose about 4%. Let's now turn our attention to the overall economic outlook. Let's look at the Asia-Pacific region. Now, the International Monetary Fund gave a big thumbs up to India and the outlook for Japan was upgraded. However, the prospects for Australia remain negative, and for China, it turned negative because of the deepening real estate crisis despite tens of billions of dollars in stimulus that is weighing heavily on the dragon country's economy. For the Americas, the outlook for the United States, Canada, Brazil and Argentina was downgraded. However, the US economy, expectations are for a soft landing rather than an outright recession. That is mainly driven by expectations that the Fed will start to cut rates as early as September. On the other side of the Atlantic, the negative outlook seems to be widespread. The UK and other European economies are predicted to just about avoid a recession at best. The outlook for African economies, not very different either. They were expected to underperform as well. For latest news, download the WION app and subscribe to our YouTube channel.